Hello friends, welcome to my channel. As always, I have come up with another strategy, a wonderful strategy which you can use to become rich very easily, and this strategy is very powerful. I always bring such kinds of strategies. I do research and I check, I backtest and I bring it to you so that you become profitable. Don't forget to like my video, please subscribe my channel and please share my videos. So the strategy which I'm going to tell you is that we will use moving average here and we will use RSI, and there are some settings which I'm going to tell you. By using only those strategies you can make a good money from forex trading. It can be used in stock market also, it could be used in commodity or in cryptocurrency market also, but I use this strategy in forex trading. So let's get started. First of all, go to the F sign. You can see the F sign is here. Click it. First of all, we will add moving average of 220 period. Here is moving average, period is 220, shift is 0, method is exponential, and apply to typical price HLC by 3, this one, and let's just pixel be 3. Color of your choice, I have kept it green, you can keep it green as well. Press done here on top right corner here. It's done. Now we have added moving average of 220 period. Next we have to click on F sign again here, go to main chart, click it here, then we will search for RSI, which stand for relative strength index. Its period will be 1, apply to close, style you can keep it 3 or 4 as you wish. I have kept the color blue, you can change the color of your choice. Now go to labels, edit this button, you have to change the label. First let's delete all the labels, and then add the label by pressing this. So my first level will be 95. We will not add any description here, let it be red. Okay, then another level which will be 90, and then another level which will be 85, and then another level which will be 80. Sorry, here it's 80, and then another level, this will be 5. Then another level, add another level which is 10, and then two more level, add it 15 and 20. We'll add here 15, we will add here 20. So we are done. Now go to back, press done, and you are done. You can see it clearly that the label has been added. The next setting which you have to do is go to this F sign again, press this indicator window 1 here, click it, then add moving average of 800 period. You can click it here, moving average, and change the setting to 800. The period is 800, shift is 0, and apply method is exponential, and apply to close. That's all, we are done, and you can keep it green. So that's all. Press the done button on top right corner. Now you have to add one more moving average. Press this F sign. Now we'll add moving average, press this button, moving average, and its period will be 13. This period is 13, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close. You can keep it 3 pixel. Now let's change its color to pink, oh sorry, orange. Now press done on top right corner, and then again add one more indicator. Press this F sign. Now we will add a moving average of, click this indicator window here. You have to click it here, and now we will add moving average of 17 period. It is moving average of 17 period. Shift will be 0, method will be exponential. Apply to close and keep it 3 pixel. Let's its color be violet, and press done on top right corner. Now we are done, and 2 more indicator we have to add. We will add 2 more moving average indicator of different period. Again go to this F sign, click it here, click this button, then add moving average again. Moving average, now the period will be 20. This is the 20 period moving average. Shift will be 0, method will be exponential. Apply to close, only change its color. And now let its color be red. Okay, now press right on top right corner. We are done, you can see. And one more indicator we are left. We have to add another moving average. Go to this indicator window 1 and add the moving average of period 25. It will be 25 period. Shift will be 0, method will be exponential. Apply to close, and only change the color. Let it be yellowish green, little bit of green, this one, a lemon color. Now press right on top, press done on top right corner. Now you are all done. Now I'm going to tell you what's the way of taking trade on this strategy. It's not very hard, it's very simple and very easy. You just have to trade on crossover. Whenever you see the price coming here, whenever you see that the price comes here, and you see the price crossing this line, this 220 period moving average, and the same thing you see here, the crossover, and it has reached in overbought zone, so you can take the trade. For this strategy, you would have taken the trade here. You have entered the market here, because here also you can see one crossover, and here also you can see the price crossing this 220 period moving average. So you would have taken a trade here in this price 1.63445, and your stop loss would be the previous high here, and take the profit 2 times. Suppose from here to here, calculate the pips and just take the trade, take the profit 2 times of that stop loss. For example, here you would have closed your position in this level. Here you would have closed your position. So practice it. The more you practice, the more you become perfect. This is the strategy which I am using for so long, and I know it's one of the best strategy which you can use to make a good income every day. Use it in period of 1 hour, use it in period of 15 minutes, time frame of 15 minutes or 1 hour. It works well. I use it in 1 hour and 15 minutes. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe my video, don't forget to like my video, don't forget to share my video. Thanks for watching.